Chapter 1, Introduction to Strategic Management. Mr. Raj has been hired as a CEO by XYZ Limited, a FMCG company that has diverged into affordable cosmetics. The company intends to launch feel good brand of cosmetics XYZ wishes to enrich the lives of people with its products that are good for skin and are produced in ecological beneficial manner using herbal ingredients. विजन स्टेटमेंट्स, आपको विजन एंड मिशन स्टेटमेंट बनाना है. तो फील गुड ब्रांड ऑफ कॉस्मेटिक में हैव फॉलोइंग विजन एंड मिशन. विजन क्या होगा? ब्लूप्रिंट ऑफ द कंपनीज फ्यूचर पोजीशन. इट डिस्क्राइब वेयर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वांट्स टू लैंड. तो एम टू फील गुड कॉस्मेटिक एज इंडियाज ब्यूटी केयर कंपनी. इट मे हैव विजन टू इट बी इंडियाज लार्जेस्ट ब्यूटी केयर कंपनी that improve looks, give extraordinary feeling and bring happiness to people. Now what is mission? Mission, what you are doing right now, what your existing capabilities and what people and customer you are serving right now. This is what our mission is. Mission delineates the firm business, its goal and way to reach the goals. It explains the reason for the existence of the firm in the society. It is designed to help potential shareholders and investors understand the purpose of the company. Mr. Raj may identify mission in the following lines: to be in the business of cosmetics. To be in the business of cosmetics. Mission delineates the firm's business, its goals, and a way to reach the goals. It explains the reason for the existence of the firm in the society. It is designed to help potential shareholders and investors understand the purpose of the company. Mr. Raj may identify mission in the following lines: to be in the business of cosmetic, to enhance the life of people and give them confidence to lead. So what they are in the business of cosmetics, to enhance the life of people, give them confidence to lead, to protect skin from harmful elements in environment and sun rays, to produce herbal cosmetic using natural ingredients. Now Yummy Food and Tasty Foods are successfully competing in the business of ready to eat snacks in Patna. Yummy Food has been pioneered in introducing innovative products. These products will give them good sale. However, Tasty Food will introduce similar product in reaction to the product introduced by the Yummy Food, taking away the advantage gained by the former. Discuss the strategic approach of the two companies, which is superior. So Yummy Food and Tasty Food are successfully competing in the business of ready to eat snacks. स्नैक्स के बिजनेस में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, मतलब दे आर, बट यमी फूड ने इनोवेटिव प्रोडक्ट बनाया तो दे आर यूजिंग प्रोएक्टिव. फिर उसको देख के हमारा जो टेस्टी फूड है उसने भी एक लॉन्च किया, इंट्रोड्यूस बाय द यमी फूड, टेकिंग अवे द एडवांटेज गेन बाय द फॉर्मर. तो यमी फूड प्रोएक्टिव है, ऑन द अदर हैंड टेस्टी फूड क्या है? रिएक्टिव है. प्रोएक्टिव स्ट्रेटजी क्या होती है? प्लान स्ट्रेटजी होती है. रिएक्टिव स्ट्रेटजी एडेप्टिव रिएक्शन टू चेंजिंग सर्कमस्टांसेस. अ कंपनी स्ट्रेटजी इज टिपिकली अ ब्लेंड ऑफ प्रोएक्टिव एक्शंस ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ मैनेजर. प्रोएक्टिव में काम क्या करेगी? मार्केट पोजीशन को अच्छा करेगी और फाइनेंशियल परफॉर्मेंस को अच्छा करेगी. एंड रिएक्शन टू अनएंटिसिपेटेड डेवलपमेंट एंड फ्रेश मार्केट कंडीशन, वो रिएक्टिव स्ट्रेटजी होगी. If organization resources permit, it is better to be proactive rather than reactive. Being proactive in aspects such as introducing new products will give an advantage in the mind of customers. At the same time, crafting a strategy involves stitching together a proactive intended strategy and then adapting first one piece and then another as circumstances surrounding the company situation change or better option emergence or reactive adaptive strategy. This aspect can be accomplished by Yummy Foods. So these two questions we have done. Now comes to check question number 3. Ramesh Sharma has 15 stores selling consumer durable in Delhi, Gurgaon. 4 of these stores were opened in last 3 years. He believed in managing strategically and enjoyed significant sale of refrigerator, television, washing machine, air conditioner and light till 4 years back. With the shift to the purpose to the online stores, the sale of his stores came down to about 70% in last 4 years. Analyze the position of Ramesh Sharma in light of limitation. Basically, environment complex है, ठीक है. तो ही वुड नॉट बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि अब ऑनलाइन हो गया है तो उसकी जितनी भी ऑफलाइन स्टोर्स हैं अब उस पर लोग कम आएंगे, तो ही हैज़ टू अडेप्ट नाउ. तो फेसिंग डिक्लाइनिंग सेल्स ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ लार्ज स्केल शिफ्ट ऑफ कस्टमर टू ऑनलाइन स्टोर्स, while he is using the tool of strategic management, they cannot counter all hindrances and always achieve success. There are limitations attached to strategic management as follows: every environment under which strategies are made, which is highly complex and turbulent, Entry of online stores, a new kind of competitor, brought a different dimension to selling consumable durables. Online store with their size power could control the market and offer stiff competition to traditional stores. Another limitation of strategic management is that it's difficult to predict how things will shape up in the future. Ramesh Sharma, although managing strategically, failed to see how online stores will impact the sale. Although strategic management is a time consuming process, he should continue to manage strategically. The challenging times require more effort on his part. Now, strategic management is costly. May consider engaging expert to find out preference of the customer and attune his strategy to better serve them in a customized manner. Such customized offering may be difficult to match by the online stores. The store owned by Ramesh Sharma is much smaller than online store. It is very difficult for him to visualize how online stores will be moving strategically. तो first is कि लाइक उसका कॉम्पिटिटिव रिस्पॉन्स उसको पता नहीं था. दूसरा कि बहुत टाइम मतलब बेसिकली टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है और इन्वायरमेंट कॉम्प्लेक्स है, टर्बुलेंट है, तो उसको पता नहीं कैसा फेज वो लेगा. एंड थर्ड थिंग इज टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है और कॉस्टली है. नाउ धर्म सिंह टू the procurement department head of Cyclic, a mountain biking equipment company, was recently promoted to look after sales department along with procurement department. His seniors at the corporate level have always liked his way of leadership and are assured that he would ensure the implementation of policies and strategies to the best of his capacity, but have never involved him in decision making of the company. Do you think this is the right approach? Validate your answer with logical reasoning around management level and decision making. The procurement department head of Cyclic mountain biking equipment company was recently promoted to look after sales department along with procurement department. His senior at the corporate level have always liked the way of leadership and are assured that he would ensure the implementation of policies and strategies to the best of his capacity, but have never involved him in decision making for the company. Functional level managers provide most of the information that make it possible for business and corporate level to formulate realistic and attainable strategy. This is because functional level, I like Dharam Singh, are closer to the customer supplier operation than the typical general manager is. A functional manager may generate important ideas that subsequently may become major strategy for the company. Thus, it is important for general manager to listen closely to the ideas of the functional managers and invoice them in a decision making. And equally great responsibility for manager at the operational level is strategy implementation, the execution of corporate and business level plans, and if they are involved in formulation, the clarity of thoughts while implementation can benefit too. Thus, the approach of cyclic corporate management is not right. They should involve Dharam Singh as well as the functional manager to in strategic management. Last question, fifth. ABC Limited is a wide range of business which include apparels, lifestyle products, furniture, real estate and electrical products. The company is looking to hire a suitable chief executive officer. Consider yourself as the HR consultant for ABC Limited. You have been assigned the task to enlist the activities involved with the role of chief executive. नेम द स्ट्रेटेजिक लेवल दैट दिस रोल बिगिंस टू. तो ये कॉर्पोरेट लेवल को है. तो CEO कौन से लेवल पे? कॉर्पोरेट लेवल का काम क्या होता है? ये टॉप लेवल एग्जीक्यूटिव्स होते हैं. ऑक्यूपाई द एपेक्स ऑफ डिसीजन मेकिंग विद द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. व्हाट द वर्क? ओवरसी द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द स्ट्रेटेजी. व्हाट बिजनेस वी शुड बी. मिशन और गोल्स को डिफाइन करना. एलोकेटिंग रिसोर्सेज अमंग द डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. फिर अलग अलग स्ट्रेटेजीज बनाना अलग अलग बिजनेस के लिए. प्रोवाइडिंग लीडरशिप फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. इंश्योरिंग दैट कॉर्पोरेट लेवल and business level strategies which company pursue are consistent with maximizing stakeholders wealth, managing the divestment and acquisition process. These are the things. First, development of strategies for the whole organization, defining mission and vision, mission goal of the organization, determining what business it should be, फिर resources allocate करना अलग अलग business में, फिर उनके लिए strategies बनाना, फिर providing leadership और फिर ये इंश्योर करना कि कॉर्पोरेट एंड बिजनेस लेवल स्ट्रेटेजी विच कंपनी परस्यू आर कंसिस्टेंट विद मैक्सिमाइजिंग शेयर होल्डर्स वेल्थ, मैनेजिंग द डाइवेस्टमेंट एंड एक्विजिशन प्रोसेस.